Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So just first go here to the Google folder and find the Gmail application. Now just here tap the right upper corner, and as can you see I got here the two logged accounts, and now just tap here to the manage account on this device. And as can you see here, these two accounts, for example, I wanna remove this first account. Just tap on their account, and now just here you can tap to the remove account and confirm to remove that. And as can you see right now, we get just only one account on your Gmail. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.